Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily merge contacts in Hubspot. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply on contact and click here on contact, get here. Now you want to preview on a primary contact that's going to be, I'm going to click on, Jessica Zulu, preview, and then go to the right top to the actions. And now on the last thing you're going to see merge. Now, okay, so merge contact. So Jessica Zulu is going to be merged with this guy here. And you can see marks will be merged into Jessica Zulu, and Jessica Zulu is going to be my main account, right? And now there's a resulting contact record will use the primary email YOLO. Timeline activity for both contact records will be preserved in the new record. The most recent value for each property first name will be used for the new record merge. And now it's going to refresh, and voila, contact has bounced globally. Contacts. See right here, preview. And this is how we do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.